For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment that you see here. Earlier in today's lesson, we talked about phonogram patterns. So for your assignment, you will be sorting based on phonogram patterns. You will see 5 different columns here with 5 different phonogram patterns. Let's take a look at them. You have A-I-N-T, ain't, E-E-Z-E, ease, O-O-S-E, oose, E-A-C-H, each, and O-U-N-D, ound. So you'll go through all of these blue word boxes and click and drag them to the correct corresponding phonogram pattern. Let's do a couple together. First word I see over here is beach. It has the phonogram pattern E-A-C-H. So I will click and drag it to its appropriate column. The next word I see here is paint. It has the phonogram pattern A-I-N-T. So I will click and drag it to its appropriate corresponding phonogram column. You will continue sorting all of these blue words in the boxes until they are all in their proper place. When you're done, make sure you click Submit Assignment for your teacher.